Life has a way of making us feel like we are running out of time. We pray for years, yet the answer seems delayed. We work hard, yet the results appear far away. We watch others receive the blessings we have been asking Allah for, and quietly we begin to wonder, when will my turn come? If you have ever felt this way, know that you are not alone. Every believer experiences moments when patience feels difficult and hope begins to fade. Allah's timing is one of the greatest lessons a believer can learn. Many of us become worried when our prayers seem unanswered. When opportunities do not arrive as quickly as we hoped, or when our lives appear to be standing still while everyone else seems to be moving ahead. We begin asking ourselves difficult questions. Why is this taking so long? Have my du'as been accepted? Has Allah forgotten me? These thoughts often come from our human desire to see immediate results. But faith teaches us something completely different. Faith reminds us that Allah sees what we cannot see. He knows what is hidden behind every delay and every closed door. There are moments when we think, receiving something immediately would make us happy. But Allah, in His infinite wisdom, knows that the timing is not yet right. Perhaps your character is still being shaped. Perhaps your faith is becoming stronger through patience. Perhaps Allah is protecting you from a difficulty that you cannot yet recognize. What looks like a delay to you may actually be a form of mercy. Allah never delays without wisdom, and He never withholds goodness from His sincere servants, except for a reason that benefits them. The Qur'an reminds us that we may dislike something while it is good for us, and we may love something while it is harmful for us. This verse teaches us to trust Allah's knowledge above our own emotions. Our vision is limited to today, but Allah's knowledge encompasses the past, the present, and the future. He knows every conversation, every opportunity, every challenge, and every blessing before it even reaches us. Nothing escapes His knowledge or His control. Think about the stories of the prophets. Many of them waited years before witnessing the fulfillment of Allah's promise. Their patience was never wasted. Their trust was rewarded at exactly the right time. Their stories are preserved in the Qur'an to remind us that waiting is not a sign of rejection. Waiting is often part of Allah's perfect plan. Instead of measuring your life against the success of others, focus on strengthening your relationship with Allah. Every prayer you perform, every sincere dua you raise, every act of kindness you offer, and every moment of patience you display is valuable in His sight. Even if you cannot see immediate change, Allah is working in ways beyond your imagination. A single command from Him can transform your circumstances in an instant. What seems impossible today can become your reality tomorrow. Because nothing is difficult for Allah, continue trusting Him with complete confidence, knowing that the one who created the heavens and the earth is fully capable of bringing every blessing to you at the moment that is best for your faith, your future, and your eternal success. * Key point 2. Your current test is preparing you for a greater blessing. Expanded 400 words. Every believer goes through seasons of hardship. There are days when your heart feels heavy, your prayers are filled with tears, and you wonder why life has become so difficult. During these moments, it is easy to believe that your struggles have no purpose. But Islam teaches us a powerful truth. Every test from Allah carries wisdom, even when we cannot immediately understand it. The pain you are experiencing today may be preparing you for a blessing that your current version of yourself is not yet ready to receive. Allah never tests a believer to destroy them. Rather, He tests them to purify their heart, strengthen their faith, and bring them closer to Him. Just as gold is placed in intense fire to remove its impurities, the believer is refined through trials. Every challenge removes something harmful from the heart, whether it is pride, attachment to worldly things, impatience, or forgetfulness of Allah. What remains after sincere patience is a stronger, more faithful servant who relies completely upon their Creator. Many of the greatest people mentioned in the Quran experienced immense hardship before receiving Allah's blessings. Their stories remind us that trials often come before victory. If Allah answered every prayer immediately and removed every difficulty at once, we might never develop patience, gratitude, or complete dependence upon Him. Sometimes the greatest gift is not the blessing itself, but the person you become while waiting for it. Do not underestimate the value of your silent tears during the night or the heartfelt du'as that no one else hears. Allah sees every moment when you choose patience instead of complaining, hope instead of despair, and trust instead of fear. None of these moments are wasted. They are being recorded by the Most Merciful. And every act of patience carries a reward beyond imagination. There may be doors that have closed in your life, relationships that ended unexpectedly, opportunities that disappeared, or plans that failed despite your best efforts. While these experiences may feel painful, they do not mean Allah has abandoned you. Often, He closes one door because He is protecting you from harm or preparing a better one that you cannot yet see. What feels like loss today may later become one of the greatest blessings you ever received. So when your heart grows tired, remind yourself that Allah's plan is always wiser than your own. Continue making dua, continue worshipping sincerely, and continue believing in His promise. The hardship you carry today is not the final chapter of your story. By Allah's permission, every moment of patience is leading you toward a blessing that will make you realize that every tear, every delay, and every test had a purpose. Say, key point 3. Keep making dua even when you see no change. Expanded 400 words. One of the greatest tricks of shaitan is to make a believer think that their dua is not being heard. After making the same supplication for months or even years, many people begin to feel discouraged. They look at their circumstances and say, nothing is changing. But a believer must never measure Allah's response by what they can immediately see. Allah hears every sincere call, every whispered prayer, and every tear that falls in the darkness of the night. Not a single dua is ever lost. The Prophet ﷺ taught that Allah responds to every sincere supplication in one of three ways. He may grant exactly what you asked for, He may delay it until the perfect time, or He may keep a greater reward for you in the hereafter. Sometimes He also protects you from a harm equal to the dua you made. This means that every time you raise your hands to Allah, something beneficial is happening, even if your eyes cannot yet recognize it. Remember that Allah is *al-Mujib, the one who responds to the prayers of His servants. His response, however, is based on His perfect wisdom, not on our limited understanding. We often ask for things because we believe they will make us happy. But Allah knows what will truly benefit us in this life and the next. If something is delayed, it is not because Allah is ignoring you. It may be because He is preparing a better opportunity, protecting you from unseen harm, or waiting for the moment that will bring the greatest blessing to your life. Never think your repeated duas a sign of failure. In fact, your constant return to Allah is itself a blessing. Every dua strengthens your connection with your Creator. Every moment you lift your hands in hope is an act of worship that earns reward. Even before your circumstances change, your heart begins to change. You become more patient, more humble, and more dependent upon Allah than ever before. Some of the greatest miracles in life happen after people feel they have reached the end of their strength. Just when they believe there is no way forward, Allah opens a door that no one could have imagined. He changes hearts, creates opportunities, removes obstacles, and provides from places that were never expected. His power has no limits, and His mercy is greater than every difficulty you face, so never stop making dua. Speak to Allah in every situation, during happiness and sadness, ease and hardship, morning and night. Call upon Him with complete certainty that He hears you. Even if nothing appears to be changing today, trust that Allah is working behind the scenes in ways you cannot see. The answer to your prayer may be closer than you think, and when it arrives at the time chosen by Allah, you will understand why every moment of waiting was worth it. Say key point 4. Relax and trust Allah's perfect plan. Expanded 400 words. One of the greatest sources of peace in a believer's life is knowing that Allah is in complete control of every affair. We spend so much time worrying about tomorrow, fearing what might happen, and trying to solve every problem with our own strength. Yet the more we try to control everything, the more exhausted our hearts become. Islam teaches us that true peace does not come from controlling the future. It comes from trusting the one who controls the future. When you place your trust in Allah, your heart becomes lighter because you know that nothing happens except by His perfect wisdom and mercy. There will always be things beyond your control. You cannot control people's opinions, unexpected events, or the timing of opportunities. But you can control how much you trust Allah. Tawakkul is not sitting back and doing nothing. It is making your best effort while leaving the outcome entirely to Allah. You work hard, make sincere dua, seek halal means, and then you leave the results in the hands of the one who never makes mistakes. This balance between effort and trust is the secret to living with peace even during uncertainty. Sometimes Allah closed doors that you desperately wanted to walk through. At first, it may feel like disappointment or failure. You may wonder why your plans did not succeed despite your sincere efforts. But later, when Allah opens a better door, you begin to understand that His plan was always greater than your own. Many people look back on the biggest disappointments of their lives and realize they were actually the beginning of their greatest blessings. Allah sees what you cannot see and protects you from what you cannot foresee. The Quran repeatedly reminds believers that whoever places their trust in Allah, He is sufficient for them. This promise should fill every believer's heart with confidence. If Allah is enough for you, then no difficulty is too great, no obstacle is impossible, and no delay is permanent. His mercy can change your circumstances in a single moment. A situation that appears hopeless to people is never hopeless to Allah, because His power has no limits. Instead of filling your heart with fear, fill it with remembrance of Allah. Continue your daily prayers, ask for forgiveness often, recite the Quran, and make dua with certainty. These acts strengthen your connection with your Creator, and remind you that your life is under His care. The more you remember Allah, the more your worries begin to fade, and your hope begins to grow. So take a deep breath, and let your heart rest in the promise of your Lord. What Allah has written for you will never miss you. And what misses you was never meant for you. Your breakthrough may arrive when you least expect it, and your greatest blessing may already be on its way. Keep believing, keep obeying Allah, and keep moving forward with confidence, because the one who has guided you this far will never abandon you. Trust His plan completely, and you will discover that His timing is always more beautiful than your expectations.